Hello everyone, myself Gagan Bhatia. Today I am going to talk about how you can increase your height and the factor that affects your height. The main factor that affects your heights are environmental factors, hormonal factors, genetics factor and nutritional factor. Because of these factors, sometimes आपकी ग्रोथ स्लो हो जाती है या हाइट कुछ टाइम के लिए बिल्कुल स्टॉप हो जाती है. So today I will tell you how you can increase your height during this period. जब आपकी ग्रोथ स्टॉप हो गई है या बहुत स्लो हो गई है. न्यूट्रिशन इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इन हाइट ग्रोथ. अगर आपका न्यूट्रिशन प्रॉपर है तो आपकी ग्रोथ अच्छी होगी. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट फॉर हाइट इज़ प्रोटीन in childhood and other nutrients like mineral, calcium, vitamin A and D. You can get protein by eating beans, pulses, yogurt, and if you are a non-veg, you can get it by eating eggs, meat, chicken breast and fish. These are the rich source of protein. Calcium. The calcium rich foods are milk, cheese and dairy products. Vitamin A. You can get it by eating yellow, red and green leafy vegetables such as spinach, carrot, sweet potatoes and yellow fruits like mango, papaya and apricots. Now I will show you some exercises that will help you increase your height. First exercise is Tadasana. Inhale while going up and exhale while coming down. Tadasana is an ideal way to lengthening the spine and grow taller. And it also helps in correcting your posture and improve your balance by making your spine more agile. You can do this asana 8 to 10 times. Our next exercise is lifting up to your toes. Firstly, stand straight and lift your heels up and slowly come down. Do this exercise for 30 seconds into 3 sets. Next exercise that will help you increase your height is Sarvangasana. Lie down on your back and lift your leg up. Sarvangasana calms the brain and helps relieve stress and mild depression. It also helps in stretching the shoulder and neck muscles. One of the most noticeable benefit of Halasana is the extreme stretch it gives to your backbone, right from the neck to the tailbone, releasing any muscular tension. All structure of the posterior spine are stretched. Our next exercise is hip flexor stretch. This move strengthens your deep hip flexor muscle known as psoas, which can increase stride length and reduce injury. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds into 5 sets from each side. Next exercise is skipping rope. When you are skipping, your body is completely erect, stretching the spine and the back muscles too. The constant bending of the knee while skipping causes the calf muscles to expand vertically. Skipping also adds to bone mass by making them longer. That is why skipping can help in gaining few inches in your height. If you are a beginner, you can do 50 ropes daily for a week. Then you can increase the number of rope to 100, 150 or more. And if you know how to rope, you can do 500 to 1000 ropes daily. Next exercise is calf wall stretch. Stand facing a wall with your hands on the wall at about your eye level. Put your affected leg about a step behind your other leg. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat it 2 to 4 times from each leg. Next exercise is hanging exercise. Hanging exercise are very beneficial for height growth. It will stretch each and every muscles in your body and improves your blood circulation in muscles. For this exercise you can use the bar, or you can use the monkey bar at playgrounds or a branch of tree. Hang on the bar. Keep your arms and spine straight. Remain in this position for 30 seconds. Repeat this 2-3 times a day. Next exercise is swimming. Swimming stretches your limbs, joints and spine. These are areas that have growth plates that are responsible for increasing height. Swimming is an excellent way to add an extra inch to your vertical posture, as well as helping you stay active and healthy. Hope you liked the video. If you want to increase your height fast, do these exercises and take care of your nutrition.